If you haven't heard about FluoriMax Varnish, or even if you've tried it in the past, we have some exciting news. Since FluoriMax is so thin and easy to mix, you'll get all of its advantages in the choice of 2 unique delivery systems. Using the bottle system, simply shake prior to use. Keep the bottle clean by holding it straight up and down while dispensing. For primary dentition, use 1 drop. For mixed dentition, use 2 drops, and for permanent dentition, use 3 drops. Use an alcohol wipe when needed to clean the bottle tip prior to storage. Don't dry the teeth, but do evacuate pooled saliva. You want the dentition to be moist, since FluoriMax is thin and migrates on moist teeth. Wet the provided brush with FluoriMax. Retract the cheek, and starting on the back molar or the upper arch, deliver the therapy in a single swipe to the central. Again, because FluoriMax is thin and chases moisture, it will spread. If you see white streaks, you've over-applied. Repeat this step for the lower arch, back molar to the central with 1 swipe. Keep the cheek retracted for 3 seconds, or ask the patient to breathe through their teeth, quickening the set. Let's complete the application on the opposing side with the new FluoriMax Flow-Through Applicator. The new Flow-Through delivery system is great fast application compared to peel and mix sticky varnishes. Select your flavor and shake the applicator to mix the varnish. Screw in the provided flow-through brush until you feel it click into place. The varnish is now ready to flow. Again, evacuate pooled saliva, but don't dry the teeth. Squeeze the ampule to moisten the brush. Do this over the gauze or the back of your glove until you get used to how much pressure is needed to wet the brush without dripping. Then 1 swipe across the buccal surfaces is all you want. Again, if you see white streaks, you've applied too much. For primary dentition, we find that it's easiest to have them bite together, give us a big smile, and apply FluoriMax to the upper arch and lower arch in 1 single swipe on each side. After application, wait 3 seconds for the layer to dry, and you're done. FluoriMax is a very tenacious and comfortable varnish. There's no need for post-application eating or drinking instructions. We simply ask the patient to avoid anything containing alcohols like some oral rinses. You're going to love the thinnest, most efficient, safest, and comfortable varnish you can provide to your patients.